Hello students, welcome to today's mathematics session. In the last class we have completed brain teasers from the chapter cubes and cube roots. So today's class will continue solving HOTS from the chapter cubes and cube roots. We know that HOTS stands for higher order thinking skills. So the first question is evaluate cube root of 288 into cube root of 72 into cube root of 27. So keep remember children, under the cube root again we have a cube root, again we have a cube root. So we need to remove the cube roots from inner to outer. So first cube root we need to remove 27s. So we know that 27 is a perfect cube of 3. So cube root of 288, cube root of 72 into, if anything is not there, there is a multiplication symbol children. But in worksheet which I have sent among square and square root, there is addition and multiplications also. Be careful and solve it. So here cube root of 27 is nothing but 3. Because we know that 3 cube is equal to 27 and cube sending to the either side it becomes cube root of 27. So cube root of 27 is nothing but 3. If any operation is not there, it is understood there is a multiplication symbol. Then cube root of 288, cube root of, we know that the product of 72 into 3 is 216. And we know that 216 is also a perfect cube. Of whom? It is a perfect cube of 6. So cube root of 6 cube. Or directly you can write 6 also, which I have written here for 3 cube root of 27. Cube and cube root get cancels. Then cube root of 288 into, no operation, so into, and what is left here? 6. Then find the product of 288 into 6. Or you can go for finding the factors of 288. So 288, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are. Then 2 7s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 6s are. Then 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 8s are. Then 2 9s are. Then 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So here factors of 288 can be written as 2 cube into 2 square into 3 square. Right? And this 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now write down in the cubes children. Cube, 2 cube into, here we have 2 square and here we have 1. So it becomes 2 power 3, exponential log in. 3 square into 3 is nothing but 3 cube. Then it can be written as cube root of 2 into 3 whole cube. Then cube and cube root get cancels and the answer is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So final answer is 12. The same process we need to do children if it is asked under square root. Sometimes they'll ask combination of square root and also cube root. So be careful and check whether it is the cube root or square root. Clear? According to it you need to solve. So let me move to second question. Second question is, 3 numbers are in the ratio 2:3:4. The sum of their cubes, sum of their addition, sum is given and their cubes is 33957. Then find the numbers. So here let the 3 numbers be, let the 3 numbers be, here it is given in the ratio children. You need to remove the ratio and stick one variable, that is constant ratio be x. Then 2x, 3x and 4x. And he is asking sum of their cubes. Then cubes of numbers equal to 2x whole cube, 3x whole cube and 4x whole cube. Generally the children what they do it is 3x cube they'll write it. Means the cube is given only for x. So keep remember you have to use the bracket children because we have 2 factors here. One is 3 and the other is x. So we need to write 3x whole cube. And later what it is asked? It's a sum. So 2x whole cube plus 3x whole cube plus 4x whole cube. So this is the meaning for this sentence, that is the sum of their cubes. The sum of their cubes is in the sense equal to mark. What is the answer? 33957. Now you remove the cubes with the factors. So 2 cube is nothing but 8 and x cube. So cube is equated for both the factors. Plus 3 cube is nothing but 27 and x cube as x cube itself. Plus 4 cube is nothing but 64 and x cube equal to 33957. Now these are all the like terms. We need to add up. What is the number? 64, 27 and 8. We know that 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll get 99. So 99 x cube is nothing but 33957. And we have a factor here 99 for x cube. So it is under multiplication, changes to division. 33957 whole divided by 99. Then go for cancellation. I'll go with the 11 table. 11 9s are 99. 11 3s are 33. I'm taking two numbers simultaneous, so I'll use 0 here in the quotient. Then 95. 11 8s are 88. 88, 89, 90. So 7 remains here. 11 7s are 77. Then I'll go with the 9 table. 9 1s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 3 remains. 9 7s are 9 4s are 36. 2 remains. Then 9 3s are 27. So we'll get x cube equal to 343. Then cube sending to the either side, it becomes cube root. Then cube root of 343. We know that 343 is a perfect cube of 7. So 7, x equal to 7. That is, the constant ratio is 7. Then what he asked? Find the numbers. So numbers are 2x, 3x and 4x. Then 2x is nothing but 2 into 7, 3 into 7 and 4 into 7. 14, 21, 28. So these are the numbers, children. If you find their cubes, that is 14 cube, 21 cube and 28 cube, and later you add up all the numbers, then you will get 33957. So this is how we need to do, children, HOTS questions. So let me move to enrichment now. Moving to enrichment questions. First question, find the cube root of 4741632 by estimation. So we need to find the cube root of number through estimation method. That is, cube root of the number given is 4741632. We need to find its answer. So estimation means we need to remember the steps, children. The step 1. What is the first step? First step is writing the number and dividing it into the form of groups. So making the groups from where? From the right side of a number. 1, 2, 3. So this makes one group, children. Again 1, 2, 3. Don't make the another group. We'll get only two groups always. So group 1 and group 2. So step 2 is consider group 1 first. That is, group 1 we have is 632. And we need to consider its units number. What is the units number? We have 2. And find its cube number. The cube number of 2 is 8. Therefore, this is only in the ones place. Therefore, 8 stands in ones place. 8 stands in ones place of cube root number, given cube root number. Okay, next we'll go for step 3. Step 3 is nothing but we need to consider group 2 number. So what is group 2 number? We have 4741. And you need to find its lesser perfect cube and its greater one also. Cube number. So lesser than this perfect cube number is 4096, which is lesser than this, and greater than this is 4913. So this here, I think it's 16 cube. less than 4741 and less than 17 cube. So among 16 and 17, smaller number is 16. Means 16 stands in tens and hundreds place. Hundreds place. Their hundreds place of cube root number. Cube root number. Therefore, cube root of 4741,632 is nothing but ones, tens, hundreds. Ones place we get 8, tens place 6 and hundreds place 1. Therefore, the answer is 168. Moving to second question, find the volume of a cube whose surface area is 150 meter square. We need to find the volume of a cube and its surface area is given 150 meter square. Regarding the formula of this, finding the volume and the surface area, you'll study in the mensuration chapter, children, but here directly I'll use the formula and solve it. Okay, so here given surface area of cube is equal to 150. We know that surface area of cube is 6 into side square equal to 150. Then side square equal to 150. This is under multiplication, children. It comes to division. Then 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 3 remains, 6 5s are 30. Then side square equal to 25. Then square moving to either side, it becomes square root of 25. We know that square root of 25 is 5. Clear? So 5 meters is the side. Then asked here is volume. Then volume of cube. Again the formula is a cube. That is nothing but side into side. Then which equal to side we got is 5 into 5 into 5. Then 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 125. So 125 meter cube. So here volume we are finding it, its unit will be in cubic meters or cubic units. This is how we need to find, children. So here remember the formula, surface area of cube is 6 into side square and volume of cube is side cube. Hope this is clear, children. And one more example I want to give as a question number 3 for finding the cube root of number by estimation method. Let me write it. Estimate the cube root of 857375. Here also he is asking us to find the cube root of a number but through estimation method. 857375. So first step 1. What is the step 1? The step 1 is consider the number 857375 and make it into groups. So last 3 digit makes one group and the remaining number makes the another group. So this is group 1 and this is group 2. Step 2 is consider group 1. Consider group 1. What is the group 1 we have? 375. After considering the group 1, take units place number. Units place number is 3 and find its cube. Its cube is 125. And again you consider its units place, that is 5. So 5 stands in ones place. Ones place of a cube root number. Next, go for step 3. Step 3, consider group 2. Consider group 2. What is group 2 number we have? We have 857. And we know that 857, we know that 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. So it is less than 1000 and it is greater than 729. So 9 cube less than 857 and 857 is less than 1000. So among So among 9 and 10, 9 is smaller than 10. Therefore, 9, we have single digit here. So 9 stands in tens place. If we get 2 digits like 16, then it stands in tens and hundreds place. So 9 stands in tens place of a cube root number. Therefore, cube root of 857375 equal to ones and tens. Ones place is 5 and the tens place is 9. So 95 is the answer, children. This ends the chapter Cubes and Cube Roots, children, with the completion of today's session. So thank you. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.